So friend, this is my online Nettech skills guide. In this my video start computer hardware. So in this my video I am teaching computer hardware course related video. Okay. So today I am continue CPU and CPU related technology. So watch previous video very important for you understand about either you cannot understand So last previous video I am already told you first the CPU and the CPU processor chip, so created by Intel company. Okay, so this is a whole generation time CPU technology and CPU systems. So today I am just showing you how to control CPU work and your computer, everything, your data, your file folder, software, operating system, everything, minimum system, every your computer. So how you control CPU technology, CPU work. Okay. So let's start. But before I start, give some information for you. So watch previous video. Either you cannot understand about why CPU. I am already created on these topics. So watch playlist. Okay, and where setup. Okay, how works CPU technology, and this is a very I'm already told you. Okay, so this is a very important for understand about types of CPU making. Okay, I'm already created a video available in playlist. Okay, and first chip created technology and central processing unit CPUs chip 4004 created by Intel Corporation System. Okay, you can see here. So watch it previous video very important for you. So let's start and show understand about how control CPU work. Okay, so let's continue. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
it and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. You can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I'm
this is my online
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So first understand about some information. The central processing unit, it's called CPU. The computer does its primary work in a part of the machine. Okay, so this is a very important to understand about computer primary work part of the machine by central processing unit CPU. We cannot see. Okay, a control center that converts data input to information output. This is a work only important part. Data data convert input into information output. Just like I'm giving example, you are open web browser, so and Google Chrome and type www.google.com and then press enter. So open your Google website. You are open a Facebook website in your web browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, any type of browser. So how this you are watching in your computer, because your processor is very work in your background side. You cannot watching everything central control of this is information converters. Okay, so main important part is any type of interface, just like you are open your Photoshop, you are open any type of picture, everything. You are just I'm give you an example. You right click and open new folder. So right click create a new folder, any type of operating system. So central processing without you cannot create a folder, because you are give input data in your computer and computer process your central processing unit, your CPU process and on your data input, and after you can see your output like completely created by folder. Okay, created by folder in your CPU. So you can see here this is a very important, just I'm give example. I move this my mouse left side. I am going to write how this is possible, because central processing unit CPU is a very important part work. Everything your operating system, just like you push your button, press your button, your power, and when your computer on. So that time is start your continuous your central processing for its process work in your computer. Okay, and everything data you process convert like data input output processing, everything just like processor, everything depend on your CPU central processing unit. Without the CPU you cannot start, because this is a primary work. Okay, so first you start your BIOS when your computer start and load everything your operating system, just like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 1, Windows 10, everything your data processed by central processing unit, and load after process, and after continuously all of background side processor works on files and services. This is a completely information output. Okay, so this is a very important on a CPU system. So let's understand about your old generation type of a central control unit, means the central CPU of old generation 1956 to 1970. So 1956, this is a old generation type of a CPU, means this old generation type of computer, and using a lot of vacuum tubes, lot of using energy and heating, and very slow, and this is a very big of a computer, old generation type of technology, and totally using the totally analog system, analog technology. Why? Because a lot of switches are maintained by machines, analog machines, and using a vacuum tube of a lot of 25,000 to 32,000 using vacuum tube. So vacuum tube is one type of a transistor I created on different type of scientists created research by Bell Labs and IBM company and other type of created CPU technology by first is introduce a small and cheaper and very useful like 400C400. You can see this is a very small and cheaper type of processor chip. I'm already told you about this my last previous video. So previous video very important for you understand about. So watch it. So first is created ceramic ceramic technology, ceramic material using C4004 technology. Okay. And after ceramic variant using second type of T 4004, these creators second type of processor, and third is created Intel company through plastic type of material. Okay, in plastic you can see this is using plastic material. Okay, but two ceramic material, but third is a plastic material. So this is a very smaller and very easy to using to low power using and low spaces using old generation computer minimum two room two room is using a lot of space. You can see this is all of a CPU technology. You can see this type is CPU. Okay, but this is you can see this wall is most smallest first technology created by CPU. Intel company by created Intel company created this small of chip and very useful. You can call one type of nanotechnology first generation. Okay, nanotechnology first generation one type of using. So this is a C4004 model type of technology, small and very thinner and very uh, low, small using a power, not using a vacuum tube, not using a different type of lot of cables, but using transistor some chip inside. You can see this type of a gold chip. And after second type of model created some changes by Intel company through, you can see this type of the ceramic D400 variant. And after create P plastic means P give name 400 variant. Okay, so three type of Intel company created. But second is important thing is create binary code. Okay, so these CPU central processing origination not have more to uh, using a memory one type of not memory is one type of using only for your enter data and automatically machinery calculate and after give output very slowly. But this is a computer is a small chip is very useful for one type of technology. And these C4004 have own a memory storage system like binary system created by science of mathematician, and only two form binary code 0 and 1 form. Okay, this code it's called binary code. Okay, I will show you what is a binary system and how working in your computer. So the CPU interact closely. Okay, CPU interacts closely with primary storage. This is a very important understand about the primary storage or main memory. Okay, so main memory is reflecting to the for both instruction and data. So referring to both instruction data. Why? Because you are give one type of give one type of instruction. You are open a file folder by mouse. You enter file and type data by your keyboard through. So that is a one type of input your data in your system. But how this is possible to your computer CPU system store and instruction your instruction through work in your computer. So this is the main reason is a central processor you need is a process in your instruction, and after in main memory and primary memory changing up here you can see here. Okay, so this reason is a control of everything your CPU work. Just I'm showing you today this type of you can see old generation is 1972, 1970, 85, 90, uh, 85. Lot of CPU system, very intelligent system were created by Intel company through, and a lot of some changes in a binary code, some storage. And so first is only 4-bit only storage, 4-bit only data output, and after some increase power, some increase data is one type store. And after this generation we are using minimum uh, multiple 10 lot of better than to this CPU. Okay. So this processor is a very high performance to old processor chip. You can see thousand of millions of transistor available in this small to small technology in small chip. Okay, and Intel company introduced in 1992 is one type of CPU core technology, very fast and very high level multiple system technology created by Intel company corporation. And they have L1 L2 cache memory. One type of cache memory is binary code storage and instruction store, and you are putting in type of creator data. So this is a match CPU processor, and your data instruction, and after reply is one type of. So 1985 to this small different type of system, this famous 1985, but 1992 is a very famous of the smallest and very cheapest type of a very useful of the central processing unit of chip. So this is the first time Intel company corporation created pin type of technology. Pin type, okay, so you can see pin type of technology, you can see. And this is a have a very lot of small too. You can see here this small of capacitors, registers, but you can see in what is inside of this chip. So lot of thousand of nano transistor technology. Nano means a very small to small. You can't imagine, you can't see in your eyes. You won't need a microscopic machine. Microscopic machine is one type of showing laser through created by these microchip, and this reason is a very, it's called microprocessor technology, you can see here. So pin type of first create a model Intel company. Pin type of technology. Pin means you can see lot of pins available on this system. Okay, so is a very important for understand about the processor chip design. So CPU, this internal IC chip, you can see here this CPU internal structure, you can see here. This is a created small of a small chip by this type of CPU and this type CPU. Internal structure, you can see here only single core, very small to small. You can see this is a very transistor, thousand of transistor, and created these created by microscopic machine. And you want to watch how this how many type of transistor, how many type of ICs and chip. So you want to first purchase your microscopic machine, and after you can watch it. Okay. So why this microscopic machine inside some memory, and how some memory unit. So memory unit in build with CPU main program and in interpreter, and second is machine language, binary language code. So binary language is a one type 0 1 form. Computer have a 0 means a negative, 1 means positive. So 0 1 0 1 is a sequence wise repetitive type of code generate in your IC. Means your CPU instructions, CPU instruction one type of a binary code language. Your machine not know what you are enter in your file, your language, just like English language, any type of Russian language, Japan language, and any type of country languages. CPU only match only your what you are press button in your data and CPU take input from your keyboard and mouse through, and CPU central processing unit match to own instruction type of storage already some binary code, and after give a process your data and output in your screen. Okay, same as it is, you can see this type of a small of a chip, but these computer millions of thousand millions of small to small transistor. So this generation, today's modern generation, using this type of processor technology chip you can see here, and this built in motherboard of a technology. Okay, so all of computer you are understand like your language, so you are already wrong. So computer only instruction binary code through and take your binary code. You press a button, you press any type of number button. So background side, in your background side, one type of code generate in your operating system in without very mini microsecond in output in your system. Okay, so why this? Because your processor very powerful, created by some research, some different type of instruction, different type of high level type of frequency generate in your processor. Okay, so this is a very important to understand about internal structure. This reason you control your system. So understand about the transistor and microprocessor is very important. You can see here, this is a very interesting. Transistor have a lot of old generation type. You can see this is a one type of transistor. Okay, lot of transistor. Transistor have one type of switching, and second is a multiplication. So your frequency generate very high level type of. So old generation type, you can any type of your system, your machine control by on, off on. That is a one type switching system. That is the work is code is a binary. Okay, so binary means off means 0, on means 1. Okay, so this is a working by transistor system. So CPU have you can see each CPU is made up of millions of tiny transistors. Each transistor function like a switch we can on off. This is a very understand about. So transistor CPU is you can see here, this is how this IBM company's power PC 604E processor main article curve showing up here. You can see transistor computer. Okay, the design complexities of CPUs increase as various technology facilities by build smaller and more reliable electrical devices, just like your small to small everything, your data, just like your pen drive, your CPU, your RAM, motherboard, everything, your transistors sound very powerful. So transistor is a lot of variable, lot of different type available, small to small system. So is the facilities is built a small technology, create first type of this first generation type of transistor. No, sorry, this is the second generation. But first generation transistor is a vacuum tube, one type of vacuum tube, and the engineer research on different type of creating. Second is create a small to transistor. And after different type of transistor created model and different type of. But third generation type of creating micro technology using a very small of tiny technology. In this reason, small computer, small your device, small your mobile device. This reason is a processor is small in building in very type of electronic devices. Okay, the first such as improve came with the advert advent of transistor. Okay, so this is a transistor reason. This is a microprocessor how working by the system. So only transistor. Okay, transistor is your switching all one type 0 1 0 1 0 1 for. Okay, so I will discuss a binary language how this 0 1 frequency is working in system. So how IC work in CPU, I will show you in your processor inside. Okay, so processor inside, you can see this is the one type of structure showing in your main computer. This modern generation CPU processor unit IC means internal structure of your CPU. Okay, So how work is a CPU central processing. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice. Next time I will continue on this topic. Okay. So subscribe, like, and click on bell icon for new notification when I upload new videos. So how I see work in CPU. So this is a very important understanding about work CPU. So thank you, and continue all of my video part wise either you cannot understand. And any question, so comment me and I will reply you in 24 hours. Try to best knowledge for you. So like for my motivation. So this is a very important for understand about how I see how to I see work in CPU structure. So thank you. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech Display channel. In this model you can see here my this online Nettech Display channel. This type right and search here and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses and daily update this video for you and very free of cost and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online and this subscribe channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced you can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me and you maybe like. So this is very good for you and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video.